Welcome by the Politricks watch. This is Sir P. Now, today I'm going to tell them about, I'm going to talk about the big seizure at Jamaica wharf, or the wharf in Ireland. Them say almost 40 firearms get recovered. I'm going to talk about it because it's more of the same. Whenever these things happen and big boss go on, we're supposed to hear say at least 5 people get arrested, charged and convicted. Instead we just hear the same story. A couple of people were taken into custody. Them can't even tell us that them get charged anymore. All they hear is them get taken into custody. They're going to tell you why not much come from these seizures. Before I go into that, remember me telling you say, when you see me disappear for a couple of days, then the days every time I return, I get all 2-3 videos in one day. So today, look out for our next video. That one will be about the camera bandit or the green bandit. Alright, now decide which name I'm going to work with you. Probably camera bandit. But green bandit can't work too. We're talking about JDF. Because recently we see coming out paper so them hold on how much JDF soldiers recently. Man all chop the line. Man all up on camp or carry out illegal activities. It has to be studied. Now, story broke out say big boss go on a wharf. How much barrel claims are grocery and clothes night. And then look. Them find weapons broken down. I understand for every one shipment of them find, all it more gone through, just like Uncle Sam place. Every time you hear them find something that come through the Mexican border, and they find some diet coke from the cartels them, at least 150 shipment get delivered. A matter of fact, the drug cartels them sometimes give away a truck. Then you send 50 truck and give away one. And when they hold on the one and big celebration, the next 49 gone. Them just sacrifice one. And who knows, I probably just go on there so because of Christmas time. So give them something to get excited about, make it look like it's a progress I make. But the real progress I make. Because the link, the system, the network, will make the guns them can pass through wharf, still intact. They might tell you say coordination between various branches, firearms and narcotics investigation division working with Jamaica Customs contraband enforcement team. Matter of fact, according to Nationwide, police were planning to do a controlled delivery of the shipment. In other words, them don't intercept it, make it run from where it sends straight to people collect, which is what we always talk about. Remember last time I said, why they can't just make the operation go on? And remember such man detailing they said they can't control the variables. Well, this time, look like the variables them could have been controlled because they plan an operation to do a controlled delivery. But, as you can see on your screen, those efforts were compromised due to a leak of the information. Let me explain something to you. Because I see come out about, 2 people were taken into custody, that I mean nothing. I go all 2 look patsy them through under the bus. All the years guns are ship at Ironman, then can't find one network and bring it down. You don't find that strange? You see them put out about through a Christmas time and more things are shipped, so they must say, they must try hide the teen guy. Anytime you see customs find nothing like this, something go wrong in the link, or just like with the Mexican them just sacrifice a one shipment to make it look like work again. Do not be silly. Nobody is packing 5 barrels of gun and hope to them get through customs. Nobody is packing 5 barrels of gun and hoping say them carry them go drop them off, it get shipped off, collected and everything go through customs. Nobody. When certain things I get shipped, a certain man from customs go check that. Him inna the link. Him inna the network. Him done get him food already. So when him open the barrel them, him not see nothing. Him lock back the barrel them, go on. Remember some telling you my video I drop, you know. Things where people hide. Guns in an area, man. But no matter how good they hide it, guy, nothing no pass through customs without them knowing. Enough people don't even know how customs work. Enough Jamaicans go off go collect things and think they know how customs work. When you go customs and check your barrel, when you go customs and see your barrel and somebody there look on it and them say right, go on. And you think, oh, they not even dig me up. Boy, me get through. I see him some could have smuggled something guy and I say work. Every container we drop in the iron, man. Customs pass through that. Every container drop in the iron, man. Customs fly that themselves and look what go on in there and make sure everything went in there. Supposed to in there. By the time you reach and start, look on your barrel and them open up barrel in front and all them sitting there. Think about it. That would be foolish, wouldn't it? Because let's say there was something in there that was extremely dangerous. You think the customs officer when they're in front of you gonna just buck up on the surprise with you? Guy, that's the last step in their process. Customs bigger than that. Customs can't see anything without even opening it. Just like when you go foreign and you go through and them search a suitcase, you think they don't know in their bag? You think say them only see Jamaicans used to in time to open up a suitcase and dig it up and dig it up and dig it up. You think that's the only way you can know in a man's suitcase? So when you see these things get found, something go wrong with the link. Either the right man who did search it, because you have a certain man who will search it now. So then go and say, right, customs bandit 1. That container and that day, you go search it. And when them go search, quote unquote search, them not see nothing. Then when it come off and go on the next corner, next man look, them not see nothing. People come pick up the barrel them, gone with the gun them. That's how the system really work. No dopey but now send. Be a barrel full of gun and hope said nobody from Uncle Sam's side to Iron Man's side no spot it. That would be ridiculous. So something go on the link. Or sometime a man for search a container there, but then the container get hold up here so, but the man go look in the link. So him now go buck up and him no buck up and say, right, it's some gun here. What do you think next man I do? In can't nothing again, he gone bad. In can't go, they go say, yo dog, you know so me should have searched that one dog and make the gun then go through. He not say that. So him did stand up and watching and say, Jano, eh? In my mind, I said, Jano, nah, the man will kill me, you know, because, I mean, if you go search that one day, and see it a room, go search it, and the man they go find the gun, Jano, dog, I go explain to him, man, they go on here now. When he gone on, be balling on the phone, boy, boss, you know, say, I mean, they go search it, I mean, they go make it go through, but then, my supervisor tell me, say, yo, you go up on the next container there, I couldn't do nothing, dog, I couldn't do nothing, bro, I just say it go, bro, please, not kill me, dog, I say it work. True story. I say it work. So it's either that one or let me say Christmas time just dash and look one shipment. Make the police get excited and clap them hand. Job well done. But until you see the syndicate job, until you see conviction, this is no progress. Progress is when the network start tumble, when time the people in the customs who on the team start tumble. When the shipper from Uncle Sam's side start tumble, that's progress. Until then, waste of time. You know, say Rev go in front of court. Remember when they hold on and Rev claim same much shipment, what come out of that? Nothing at all. The most you can do is say, yeah, 40 guns less on Ironman streets and 2,000 less shot. Sure, that's good. But we don't know how much gun, how much shot get through. It's not like say the man ain't shot a gun. It's not like say there's a gun shortage for 87s or ammunition shortage. Gunman have more shot than license for your more line. Christmas time, you go and hear shot fire till them tired, man have rounds to waste. So when time the network them start tumble and them actually start finding somebody, that's when time we really go start celebrate. The big story here is that they were planning a controlled delivery and the information got leaked to the man them. That's the story here. Go for the next video. We talk about Green Bandit, Camera Bandit, because them not news too much now. Patreon squad, big up on yourself. PIA, you don't know, more life. Ultra squad, stay circling. Bless.